Hey, people need to use the bathroom now.
Hold on, give me don't take a video.
Oh, I am.
Don't take a fucking video of me. I'm drunk.
Hey,
I'm
people
in
are
the bathroom, y'all.
People are.
I'm in the bathroom.
People.
If you're taking a video, I'm in the bathroom right now, and nobody can judge me on it because I don't have my pants down. So I'm sitting here in the bathroom with my pants up, my shirt on. I'm sitting here. I'm trying to catch my breath so I don't look like an idiot.
Let's go. People are beating.
I got my breath, y'all. I did it.